Coffee lovers! Today, I'm so excited to introduce you the Melitta Aroma Tocco Drip Coffee Maker. This sleek and stylish machine is designed for coffee lovers who appreciate the perfect brew. And guess, with its advanced brewing technology, it ensures optimal extraction for rich, flavorful coffee every time. The Aroma Tocco features a programmable timer, allowing you to wake up to the delight aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Plus, it is easy to use interface and compact design, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen.